my mind, I'm undefined. I'm just beginning, things in my hand, and they unplanned. Page before you, open up the dirty window, let the sun illuminate the words that you cannot find.
Something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions.
Feel the rain on your skin, no one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Drench yourself in words unspoken. Live your life with arms wide open. Today is where your book begins.
The rest is still unwritten.
I break tradition. Sometimes my tries are outside the lines. Whoa.
So happy birthday, I love you, ate. Happy birthday, madam.
Sobrang happy din kasi naging part ako ng friends niya.
Naging isa lang masasabi ko kanya din. Ano siya, fighter. Yeah. Yung masasabi lang, fighter. Mga problema pero andyan pa rin. Yan, umiyak pero lumalaban pa rin. Kaya ano, hats off. Tapos, hats on.
Any guy would be blessed to have Madel kasi, kumbaga, she's like a rare gem or flower.
Endangered species.
Yan. So, you don't always find someone like her.
Dito kami para sa'yo lagi. Hindi lang mga kuya.
Yay!
You love me.
Yeah!
Lagyan mo yung family mo kasi blessed ka kasi close kayo, ganun saka bawala man yung lahat kasi yung family mo lalo. So sana, yun nga, maging blessing ka rin sa family mo at saka sa mga so yun, happy birthday.
Yung family namin, Ilan, and kailan din namin kayo iwan.
Happy birthday, Madel.
Noted?
With my life, you make my life so much better.
Yeah!
For the rest of our life.
Yeah!
Forever.